guys, it's Cami, and in today's video I'm going to be doing something really exciting and something that I've been wanting for a long time. And yeah, in today's video I'm going to be doing a MacBook Air unboxing. So here I got the MacBook Air. This is the 2020 version, the M1. And I'm really excited for this video because I've never had a MacBook before, and I've always wanted one. So kind of as a bit of a graduation gift, I did get a MacBook, which is pretty exciting. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here's the MacBook. Here's the box that it comes in. I already opened it, so unfortunately I can't do one of those aesthetic openings, but yeah. Okay, here, this is just the top of the thing with the MacBook. And here is the charger. It goes inside the box, but since I already opened it, I had to just put it right there. And here is the MacBook. It comes in this little paper, like this. This is what it looks like. It's just I got it in silver. Because they have this color, they have space gray and rose gold, but oh, I'm holding it upside down. Silver is my favorite, and it's more simple and plain, so that's why I got silver. And yeah, so you just open it up. I already signed in and everything, but yeah, here is what it looks like. And it also comes with this, which is a little booklet. It has stickers and stuff in it. So yeah, here is little instructions that it comes with, how to set up your MacBook, which is pretty cool. That's pretty much it. And I also have this little paper. I don't really know what this is supposed to be, but yeah. And it also comes with these stickers, which is pretty cool. I was thinking of putting it over the little thing, but it doesn't go all the way exactly, so I don't know if that would look good or not if I put it on the MacBook. But yeah, it comes with these stickers. Yeah, and it just says designed by Apple in California, which is pretty cool. And it also comes with this little lightning charger. It has one little lightning cord. This is to put the charging cable that I showed earlier. Yeah, you can charge it like that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna put this stuff back in the box. Yeah, so again, this is what the box looks like. I probably already showed you guys. Oh, it has 8 gigabyte unified memory and 265 gigabytes SSD, and it has a 13-inch MacBook Air with an Apple M1 chip, which is pretty cool. And another thing I wanted to show you guys is it comes with this little headphone jack, as you can see here, and it also has these 2 little plugs. But the only downside I can think of is it doesn't come with a SD card reader, but Apple does sell one of those SD card reader things that you can plug into the computer. I'll put a picture right here. So I'm probably gonna get one of those for my YouTube videos, since I'm planning to buy a camera soon. I'm filming this on my phone right now, but yeah, I hope to get a camera soon, probably the Canon G7X, so I can film vlogs and stuff like that. So yeah, I haven't quite set it up yet. So here is what the wallpaper looks like. It's just the plain Apple wallpaper. And here are some apps that it comes with. And I also downloaded Spotify so I can listen to my music, and also a Creative Cloud. So I've been using Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos. But I also wanted to try iMovie, and maybe in the future I could buy Final Cut Pro X. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And also I downloaded Google Chrome here. Oh yeah, I didn't finish setting it up yet, but yeah, I also downloaded that on my computer. So yeah, now for this next section of the video, I'm gonna decorate my computer with stickers and stuff. So yeah, on to the next part.
If we could run it, if we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could run it back? If run it back? And do you wonder if we could run all of the things I didn't know? I had to get out down the road inside of the same old, caught in the circles round they go. It's hard when you keep close. Rewind with my eyes closed. I need a breather. Got lost in the B-roll. We let all the wind blow to learn how the world goes. And we didn't know how to move on. that you're smart, that your casual conversation, even a short duration, can cover everything from science-based to art. It's so obnoxious that you're kind, that you always have time for family and help out everybody, as if a million things don't occupy your mind. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? It's maddening that you make me smile, even at times when no one else can. When I get overwhelmed and I want the world to fade away just for a while. Over the top that you're so cute, and that if you and David stood there both side by side, I bet that, oh, Michelangelo would be surely carving you. If you could be just a little less perfect, then I could say I don't have time and it's not worth it. But how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? Oh, if you can get much better, don't, 'cause it'll get much harder. Can't blame a girl for trying to take it slow. Oh, how is a girl to resist you and all the little things you do? How can I resist you? Just tell me how and I'll do it. Just tell me how and I'll do it.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below what videos you want me to do in the future. I'm thinking of doing more like MacBook or tech related videos. Like for example, I could do a how to organize your MacBook video. So let me know if you'd be interested in that. And also make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video. And with that, it's going to be it for me today. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!